I am Dr. Sagar Rajkar, ENT specialist doctor from Nashik, Maharashtra. Video topic of today is that what are the symptoms of Meingeri sinus retention cyst. Okay. First of all, what is a Meingeri sinus retention cyst? Okay. It is nothing but what happens. There are several mucous glands in the sinuses. They have ducts, draining ducts. If the duct gets blocked, it results in the formation of cyst. Okay, first of all, going through this video is not sufficient. As I always say in my previous videos, it is necessary to click on the link given in the description of this video so as to go through the textual matter in our website, so as to know the things in detail. Just going through this video is not sufficient at all. Okay. So once a Meingeri sinus cyst develops, what are the various things can occur? It will occupy space, it will occupy volume, it can cause facial pain, it can cause headache, it can reduce the nasal volume, the airway from where air enters through the nose. So patient can complain of nasal congestion, headache. All these symptoms can occur. Okay, if there is too much of this thing, cold and all, it can cause blocking of ears, decrease hearing, because whatever this infection is there from the front side, from the nose, it will enter the throat. From the throat, it will go to the eustachian, it will travel to the middle ear. So it can cause ear pain, decrease hearing, ear blocking sensation, and all. Are these the only symptoms of Meingeri sinus retention cyst? No, there are various other symptoms. To know what all the symptoms are there of Meingeri sinus retention cyst, to know all these symptoms, to know the differences between Meingeri sinus cyst and nasal fluids, what are the points of differentiation, what are the various reasons due to which a Meingeri sinus retention cyst develop, so that you can know them, so that you can avoid them, you can take preventive measures. Once a Meingeri sinus retention cyst develops, then what investigation should be done? Should we consult an ENT specialist doctor? If yes, then what investigation does he do, and what is the appropriate line of treatment? For all these details, you please click on the link given in the description of this video and get the things known in detail. It is very important. If you are suffering from such problems, it is very important, because your ENT specialist doctor is very busy in his consultation and surgery. He doesn't have time to explain you all the things right from ABC in a detail. You should have brief idea of the matter. So please click on the link in the description of this video.